Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. This afternoon we're making Gorgonzola burgers. These are part of my series of burgers, and we have the barbecue burgers and the Habanero Cheddar burgers. Now what may look like a lot of fat is actually Gorgonzola cheese. Gorgonzola cheese is very similar to blue cheese. It's a little lighter in flavor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to oil the grill. Now you see I have some avocado oil. I'm going to just lightly grill. The grill, as you can see, is very, very hot. It's smoking. That's perfect, and you can hear it. Sizzling. That's a good thing. Now, I highly recommend that you use a fish spatula. Fish spatulas are movable, so you do a really good job. Okay, so you take your burger like this, put them down like that, and the other one, put them in the back. Now we're going to let these cook for about a minute because we want the nice hash grill marks. I'm going to show you how to do that. That's actually pretty easy, and you will have burgers that look like they came out of a fancy restaurant. So it's been about 45 seconds or so. So what we're going to do, is we're going to take these, see how you go like this, and turn it half. Turn it. Some cheese coming out of there. Same thing on that side. And now we're going to let these cook for about 2 minutes on this side, and then we'll flip them. Okay, time to flip. I'm going to go like this and flip. See how the nice mark on there? Isn't that beautiful? And flip this one also. It's stuck a little. How rude. Okay, now I'm going to sprinkle these liberally with Miss Rubins Black Magic. This is wonderful stuff. Lots of there on that. That on there. And I'm also going to add some extra blue cheese. That. Then I'm going to cover them. This is actually the cover for my roaster, and you know what? It does a great job for burgers. So we're going to cover these and let them continue to cook. And we'll be back. Okay, while the burgers are grilling, you can prepare the buns. I have some lovely ciabatta rolls that I thought would be perfect for this, that I toasted and I buttered before I toasted them. If you want, you can add mayonnaise, but I don't think it's really necessary. And we're going to put some romaine lettuce on there. Any kind of lettuce you have is fine. This just happens to be romaine. And red onion. I think red onion is the kind of onion you would want. They're sweet and lovely, and they're not as strong as white onions. I think they're really good with this, especially with Gorgonzola cheese. Now it's time to take the top off because the burgers are done. You have to be careful with this because the top is really hot. So make sure that you use something to take it off with. Okay, there you go. Okay, look at those. Those are just absolutely beautiful. The cheese is all melty. They're just absolutely perfect. Use the fish spatula to take them off the grill. Put it on the bun. And now this is ready for serving, and you will find all the ingredient amounts and instructions on the Good Plate. And we thank you for watching. Please enjoy. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time on the Good Plate. Enjoy. Bye-bye for now.